Today is our topic rating of switch for discharge light. We are going to calculate the switch rating. Okay. First, what about the discharge light? Discharge light is such a light which emits the light when we pass electrical discharge through the ionized gas. When we pass the electricity through the ionized gas, the light will emit from this. The normal gas which is present inside the light are argon, krypton, xenon, neon, or mix of these items. All these gases are inert gases. The common discharge lights are sodium vapor lamp, mercury vapor lamp, metal halide lamp, etc. There are many other lamps also. Here we have a diagram. In this one, our power supply is coming through this switch to the discharge light and neutral also. So here we are going to discuss about the calculation of this switch. Suppose we have a discharge light of 1000 watt and our voltage is 230 volt single phase and the power factor cos theta is 0.8. Then single phase current equation is I is equal to P by V into cos theta. That is 1000 by 230 into 0.8 is 5.4 ampere. Now our switch rating. Normally for the discharge light we assumed the circuit current as 1.8 times of the normal current. That means our normal calculated current is 5.4 ampere multiplied by 1.8. Then we got 9.72 ampere. 9.72 switch is not available. So we would take a switch of rating 10 ampere. So from the market we can buy a 10 ampere switch for our discharge light of 1000 watt. Why we take 1.8 here? Because during the starting of the discharge light, it will take a current of 1.8 times. I hope you got my simple calculation. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.